And it's not just juice that you can make with this machine. You can also do pizza toppings, bruschetta, and crackers. I don't even know. It's super, super cool. All right, we are going to try this spinach apple juice. It looks pretty easy, honestly. All you need is some spinach, 2 apples. I chose Granny Smith apples, and a lemon. So let's get this thing made. This juicer can squeeze the maximum of your favorite ingredients and help you get up to 90% of your fruits into the glass and only 10% as pulp, not waste. The juicer machine operates at a low-speed silent motor, less than 60 decibels, and all smaller removable parts of the juicer can be stored inside the pulp container, perfect for small spaces. It's also equipped with a special cleaning brush to make the juicing cleaner, easier, and more convenient. Make delicious and healthy juices from soft fruits with the soft mode and hard vegetables with the hard mode. Is fascinating. Like, absolutely amazing. I want to juice everything now. Oh my gosh, did you see the apple and the spinach, the lemon I just squeezed? But what the heck? Fresh juice. I am so excited to try this. Look how green it is. All from the apple and the spinach. By the way, I put a whole lemon in here. Oh my gosh. I think I just need to add some ice to make it cold, but it's super delicious. Not even kidding. You have to try this out. Oh, we should juice so many things. I think this is gonna have to replace candy for me in my like post breakfast. I need something sweet. This will hit. It's so delicious, seriously.